smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that takes the guesswork out of your shopping. Today, we've got a battle of the mini drones. In the left corner, we have the Holy Stone mini drone, and in the right corner, it's the ATTOP drone W10. Let's see which one of these tiny titans is ready to take off and which one should stay grounded. Ready, set, fly. First up, let's talk about the price. The Holy Stone mini drone is a wallet-friendly $36. That's like 3 fancy coffees or 1 really cheap date night. Meanwhile, the ATTOP drone W10 is priced at $69. That's almost double, folks. For that price, it better do my taxes and make me breakfast. Now, let's talk about the eyes in the sky. The Holy Stone doesn't even have a camera. It's like flying blind, but hey, it's all about the experience, right? On the other hand, the ATTOP drone W10 comes with a 1080p HD camera with a 120 degrees wide view. You can capture your neighbor's barbecue in stunning detail. Just kidding, don't be that person. All right, time to see how long these bad boys can stay up in the air. Holy Stone gives you 3 batteries for a total flight time of 21 minutes. That's enough time to make a sandwich and eat it. The ATTOP drone W10? It doesn't specify, but with all those cool features, we hope it's not just a one-and-done deal. Next up, fun factors. The Holy Stone can do toss to launch, circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. It's like a mini circus in the air. The ATTOP drone W10, on the other hand, offers 360 degrees flips, trajectory fly, and even voice control. You can literally tell it to do a flip. It's like having a pet that listens. Imagine that! Safety first, kids. The Holy Stone comes with propeller guards to protect those tiny fingers, and it's built to take a beating. The ATTOP drone also has propeller guards and even includes 4 spare propellers. It's like the drone equivalent of bubble wrap. Both drones all have low battery alarms, so you won't have to go searching through the bushes when they decide to take an unplanned nap. Holy Stone mini drone reviewers appreciate its ease of use, affordability, and durability, making it a great indoor drone for beginners and even pets. On the other hand, ATTOP drone W10 reviewers love its advanced features like the 1080p camera and voice control, though some have faced issues with drifting and control range. Both drones have their pros and cons, but they cater to different needs and budgets. So which mini drone should you go for? If you're on a budget and just want something fun to zip around, the Holy Stone mini drone is your go-to. But if you want to capture some cool aerial shots and impress your friends with voice control, the ATTOP drone W10 is worth the extra bucks. Either way, you are in for a good time. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly safe and shop smart. See you next time!